Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Mini Circular Saw is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional craftsman, offering unparalleled precision and portability for a wide range of cutting tasks. Whether you're tackling intricate woodworking projects, making quick adjustments on construction sites, or simply need a reliable tool for home repairs, this compact powerhouse delivers exceptional performance without the hassle of cords, allowing you to maneuver freely and reach tight spaces with ease. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip ensure comfortable operation, even during extended use, making it an ideal companion for both beginners and seasoned pros seeking efficiency and accuracy in their cutting endeavors. Number 5. Seesii Mini Chainsaw 6-inch Cordless. Experience effortless cutting with its powerful motor and precision chain. It slices through wood up to 15 centimeters thick in just 7 seconds, smoothly and efficiently. This tool offers superior cutting efficiency and a longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. Weighing only 2.7 pounds, it's significantly lighter than bulky chainsaws, making it perfect for anyone, including women and the elderly. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and an excellent user experience, even for beginners. Equipped with 2 powerful batteries, it provides up to 100 minutes of continuous use, enough to cut over 100 pieces of wood. You can tackle your tasks without worrying about interruptions, even outdoors. It features a double safety lock to prevent accidental activation and a chain guard for protection. The low recoil design enhances stability, ensuring safe operation with minimal noise disturbance. Unlike others, it comes in a sturdy plastic case for easy carrying and storage. This protects your tool and keeps all accessories organized, so you can start working immediately. This makes a wonderful gift for men, husbands, and fathers for any special occasion. It's a practical and impressive present that anyone would appreciate. Plus, it includes a 2-year worry-free after-sales service. What we like. This one boasts a powerful motor for efficient cutting and comes with 2 batteries for extended use. If you're looking for a tool that can handle tougher jobs and keep going, this is a great choice. It's also designed for comfortable one-handed use, making it suitable for a wide range of users. What people say. Being a woman in her 70s, the chainsaw was easy for me to use and worked very well. It held up well under tough hackberry tree limbs of 3 inches, cutting them cleanly. Being able to use it one-handed was great. It cut smoothly. This little thing came with everything advertised: the case, 2 batteries and extra chain, safety gear and little maintenance kit. Very impressive right off the bat. I immediately charged up the batteries this morning after delivery and started putting it to work after the batteries were charged. I did apply some bar and chain lube and just went to town. I got so much done today and it just mowed right through so much so fast. Tiny but mighty. No setup needed, easy to use, lightweight, convenient storage case, comes with the gloves and safety glasses. Cut up to about 6-inch wide pine trees with ease without a fully charged battery in under a minute. The chain remained clean while cutting maple, oak, and pine trees. Worked surprisingly well for something so inexpensive. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20B Cordless Circular Saw, BDCCS 20B. This tool features a fast-cutting 5-to-1/2-inch blade, perfect for a variety of DIY projects. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. Achieve accurate angled cuts with ease. It includes detents at 45 and 90 degrees, ensuring precision for your projects. Adjust the depth quickly and easily without needing any extra tools. This feature saves you time and effort. Swapping out the blade is a breeze. You can change it in seconds, all without the need for additional tools. Gain better control during operation thanks to the pivoting shoe. It provides stability and maneuverability for a better user experience. This tool is part of a versatile battery system. You can use one battery across multiple compatible tools, offering great convenience. What we like. This tool features a versatile blade and tool-free adjustments for depth and blade changes, making it incredibly convenient for quick tasks. If you value ease of use and the ability to swap batteries with other tools in the same system, this is the one for you. It's perfect for DIYers who need a straightforward and adaptable saw. What people say. The portability of the saw makes it very versatile for completing these quick one-off tasks. The design of the saw, handles, weight, and operation, are very comfortable. It's not overly heavy but still feels solid. I like the functionality that the saw provides with the ability to adjust the cut depth and angle, along with not having to work around a cord. This is a very compact yet powerful saw. Good quality tool that works well in close quarters and precision cuts. Number 3. Genesis Mini Circular Saw GCS 445 SE. Experience efficient cutting with its 4.0 amp motor, delivering 3,500 revolutions per minute. This tool is designed for quick and precise work. Its barrel grip design allows for comfortable one-handed operation. Save time and energy with this lighter, more manageable saw. Easily make beveled cuts, plunge cuts, and cross cuts. It effortlessly cuts through 2x material, eliminating the need for a larger saw. The spindle lock feature ensures safe and quick blade changes. Get back to your project without delay. This package includes a 24T carbide-tipped blade, rip guide, vacuum adapter, and blade wrench. Everything you need for your cutting tasks is right here. What we like. With its compact barrel grip for one-handed operation and easy-to-use depth and bevel controls, this saw is designed for precision and comfort. If you need to make beveled cuts, plunge cuts, or cross cuts with ease, and want a tool that can handle 2x material without switching to a larger saw, consider this option. It's ideal for detailed work and various cutting applications. What people say. The saw is lightweight and easy to handle, making it great for one-handed operation. It comes with 3 different blades for cutting various materials like wood, tile, and metal. The safety switch prevents accidental starts, adding an extra layer of protection. Number 2. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. This versatile set is perfect for all your fine DIY projects, offering a wide range of accessories for detailed work. Achieve the perfect finish with its 5-speed adjustment, allowing you to select the ideal speed from 1500 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. This ensures you have the right power for any task. Designed to feel like a pen, it offers exceptional control and comfort for intricate jobs. Its compact and lightweight nature means you can take it anywhere and use it anytime. The built-in 3.7V rechargeable battery provides over 200 minutes of use on a single charge. Plus, the convenient USB charging makes powering up a breeze. Work with confidence even in dimly lit areas thanks to the integrated LED light. It eliminates shadows, providing a clear view for more precise and enjoyable crafting. From sanding and polishing to drilling and engraving, this tool handles it all. It's your go-to for detailed crafting and hobby projects. What we like. This is a multipurpose rotary tool set, not a mini circular saw. It offers 5-speed settings and a compact, lightweight design for ultimate control and precision, perfect for fine DIY work like sanding, polishing, drilling, and engraving. If you're into detailed crafts and need a versatile tool for intricate projects, this is the one. The added LED lighting helps illuminate your work area for better accuracy. What people say. It has a good amount of different tools and speed settings which makes it perfect for whatever project you're working on. It's lightweight and easy to hold, which is perfect for smaller hands. She can use it comfortably without getting tired. The 5-speed settings are very helpful. She started with the lowest speed to get used to it and now feels confident using higher speeds when needed. I also like that it's cordless and USB rechargeable, super convenient. Number 1. GALAX Pro Mini Circular Saw DC20V. Introducing the GALAX Pro Mini Circular Saw, a compact yet powerful tool designed for a variety of cutting tasks. Its 20V motor delivers impressive performance for wood, soft metal, tile, and more. Achieve perfectly straight cuts every time with the integrated laser guide. This feature illuminates your cutting line, ensuring professional and precise results with ease. This saw offers a maximum cutting depth of 1 to 11/16 at 90 degrees and 1 to 1/8 at 45 degrees. It's perfect for miter cuts, bevels, framing, and edging, providing great versatility. It comes equipped with 2 blades, a 24-tooth blade for wood and a 60-tooth blade for metal. Easily switch between them using the included hex key for different material applications. Designed with your safety and comfort in mind, it features a double protection switch and a soft rubber handle for improved control and minimal vibration. A vacuum adapter is also included for dust management. This comprehensive kit includes the mini circular saw, a 2.0 Ah battery, 2 saw blades, a charger, grip guide, vacuum adapter, hex key, and a user manual, so you have everything you need to get started. What we like. This saw comes equipped with a laser guide for precise cuts and includes 2 different blades for wood and metal, plus a vacuum adapter for dust control. If you prioritize accuracy and versatility in your cuts, and appreciate a cleaner workspace, this is an excellent choice. It's well suited for users who need a reliable tool for various materials and want professional-looking results. What people say. It buzzed right through a piece of 3/4 plywood. The laser is cute. A nice feature. The saw is compact and easy to maneuver in tight places and is perfect for small jobs. The dust collection port was hooked up to a small shop vac and kept dust in the air to a minimum. Good portable cordless circular mini saw that is great for indoor and outdoor small jobs. Max cutting depth is the same as regular sized circular saws, so can use on too thick nominal lumber. Laser guide helps keep the cutting straight. Feels comfortable to hold and grip when cutting wood. Battery life seems good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.